What's going on, everyone? We're coming to you from the Embassy Suites in Covington, Kentucky, right across the river from Cincinnati, Ohio. We're going to show you a tour of our room, the breakfast, the atrium, let the kids run around some and tell you and review our stay. Let's go. Okay, we are going into our room 518. Emma Jace, do the honors for us, sir. Push hard.
Whoa.
What do we have here? What do we have here? A TV. Okay, so this is the living room portion of the room with a table to eat and the TV. We have the fridge over here. Let's see what's in it. A decent sized fridge, not the smallest ever. Microwave. Is it clean? Pretty clean. Have a sink out here. Under the sink, there's nothing. Coffee maker. We have the bathroom. Palmer likes this light, how you can make it on and off down there. She likes the light. We have the shower here. A little bit older, that's okay. This is not a brand new hotel. So far, the only thing we don't like about the room is the shower head. It's a little bit dingy and older, and when you cut it on, this is, it needs some help over there. So far that's our only complaint about the room.
I'm watching the news.
We have the bedroom. What is going on in here?
I'm watching the news.
You're watching the news. What's happening in the world? Tell me.
Press number 4.
Yes, you can press number 4. We have 2 beds. They're a little bit small. Mama, are you ready to sleep in there with me?
I'm ready.
We have a
a
desk and a chair under it. Another TV. The closet. There's the linens. Oh, we have shoes in there from Palmer already. She's done thrown off her shoes and put them in there. And the safe iron board.
Dad, you gotta show them the view.
We love a good view. This is a view of the river. And we have a view of the Bengal Stadium over there. And whatever that is down there, that's some kind of river walk thing that we'll be going down to. But, oh, there's a cool little church over there. But guess what, Mom?
What?
It's happy hour at MT Suites.
Woo!
And the carpet in here has seen better days. Well, we just got done eating our happy hour hors d'oeuvres. We had chips and salsa, carrots, what else? Cucumbers, cheesecake. And that was our dinner for the night. Very cool ambiance in here. A Shirley Temple.
And I booked mine.
And we are on the river right outside of the Embassy Suites, overlooking Cincinnati. Very good view, pretty night. Check it out. Is it cold? Oh no. Oh, Emma, oh no, Mama. Here it is. It's on the second floor. Outside of the room, it has a balcony area with the view of Cincinnati. The pool area connects to the workout area. So let's see what they have in here. Chair, some free weights, TV, med ball. And over here looks like they have 2 treadmills and a bike, elliptical. Hello, some towels. How's everyone's breakfast?
Amazing.
I got a fresh omelet with some fruit potatoes and the view. We're waiting in the atrium for Mommy by the waterfall. We just saw her up there. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Woo! Okay, it is review time. My wife and I both agree this was a 6 out of 10 stay. The staff was great. The room was kind of clean. This is an older hotel, so the bathroom's a little bit dingy. We documented the shower head, some grime in there. Not horrible, definitely not the worst we've ever seen. Downstairs, everywhere appeared clean. You know, these rooms are just older and need to be updated. Hey, baby. Hey, pretty girl. Let's see what else happened. They didn't have our sheets. Oh. All right, baby girl. Baby girl. They didn't have the sheets for the pull-out couch. We had to call 3 times to get sheets. Just some minor issues, nothing major. So again, this is across the river from Cincinnati, Ohio, Embassy Suites, Covington, Kentucky. We like the Covington area. Oh, one more positive about this hotel is that the location is great. It's right by the bridge where you can just walk across the river. But in the grand scheme of Embassy Suites that we have stayed at, this is not one of the top ones. But overall, we enjoyed our stay, 6.5. So thank you for coming along with us. Please make sure you like and subscribe. Check out our adventures. We're going to keep on going. Fall break 2025 ends now, but there'll be more. Bye.